Welcome viewers. In this video we'll learn about the steps that we have to follow for drawing the orthographic projections of the given pictorial view. So we have in this particular object, so number of visible edges, number of hidden edges. So we shall start with the visible edges first, and then we shall go towards drawing the all hidden edges in this. So we start with this visible principal surface here, so which is the rectangular hole here. So its height, so if we say, see the hole is, let us start with the hole. The hole is of 3 grid spaces length and 4 grid spaces height, so that we complete. And the outer surface is like this. So that is how we can complete the first visible surface. So then we have these smaller rectangles, so they are also principal surfaces, so their position can also be located. So the other side also we have similar principal surface visible, so we located that. Another principal surface is this one, so let us locate that also. So it is here. So this is the visible front view. Now about the side view. In the side view, you note, so we have this line of 3 grid spaces, and then this line of 3 grid spaces. It starts at this height. So we start at this height, and 3 grid spaces we can complete, and then this one, and then this one. The the outline of the principal surface visible from the side view has been completed. Now the whole part will be completed. So that principal surface is completed like this. So from the side view, mostly it will look like this, neglecting the hidden edges so far. So the visible edges will be shown or have been drawn like this. Now from the top, you see there is one C here, and you have another C here. So the top view has to be drawn above the front view and in complete alignment. So we complete it here. So this C, 3 grid spaces will be its depth. This is one C. You have another C, again with the 3 grid spaces. Another C. That is how it will appear from the top, but it is all neglecting the hidden edges, without which the drawing is incomplete. So now let us focus one by one on the hidden edges. So what are the hidden edges in the front view? You look from here, we can easily see there will be a line just below this one, so there will be a hidden line. So the line, let me show on the isometric view itself. So using a cyan color, though it is generally not to be shown, so here I am showing it for conceptual understanding purpose. So there is one line here, the line which is shown here. This line represents the meeting of this surface and the surface just behind it, so that line is visible. Similar way, a line will be seen from this point. Okay, so because I simply want to show, just approximately I'll show. So this line which is hidden here, so this particular line which I drew, so I can zoom in and I can show for clarity purpose. So this line is representing the intersection of this surface and the surface just behind the front surface. Similar way, there is an edge here. So these kind of edges are there at every corner. So this edge is also there. This edge is visible even from our pictorial view. It is visible, but in the front view it will not be visible, it will be hidden. So this edge and the edge behind here, similar to this one, so these edges need to be drawn in the orthographic projections. So we don't need to show them in the vectorial view, we should not show them in the pictorial view, but they are a must in the orthographic projections. So due to these, what we need to draw? We need to draw them with the cyan colors. I have already changed the line to cyan. So cyan color represents our hidden line in our conventions. So that is how the hidden lines are to be shown here. Now these edges are available even here, okay, corresponding to this, and even corresponding to this corner there is a vertical edge here. So that so the horizontal edge at this height, so that is here, and there is vertical edge also here, that is also shown. Similar way, the edges are there in the at this location even, so from here to here. Even there is a vertical edge, but overlapping that there is a visible edge also. So visible vertical edge is coinciding with the other edge which is behind. So that is itself that also is visible. So for that solid edge is there. So, but on this side we have the hidden edge. So this way we shall see the hidden edges at these different corners. Now looking from the side view, you see there is an edge here. So this edge will go inside. So again let me zoom in for the side view purpose, just to explain clearly. I can say the edge from here, there will be an edge continuing, because this surface, vertical surface, and the horizontal surface corresponding to this edge, they will be meeting at this line. So that edge, hidden edge, will be visible from the side view. This particular edge will also be visible in the side view here, and these edges are seen even at other corners. So these need to be drawn. Now I'll remove again this one which I showed just for clarity purpose. So those edges, hidden edges are being drawn here at this corner also, even at this corner. Will it be here? Yes, it will be at this corner also from the side view, and in the side view at this corner you don't see any edge of that kind. So this is what you will see in the side view. Now in the top view, again this edge in the top view will be visible, and the edge from this side. So edge from this point towards this side will also be visible. Let me show you only for the purpose of clarity. So from here to here, so this edge will also be there. So this edge will be, so this similar to this edge. Okay, so that is to be drawn in the top view. So we have other hidden lines at all the corners, so in the similar fashion as we discussed for one case. Okay, so Now one more thing, please note there is a hidden edge even from the top surface, so corresponding to this edge. Another one will be seen from here. So another one, so this one is already shown, but this one at this corner is not being taken care of. See, there is one vertical edge corresponding to the intersection of top surface corresponding to this edge and the vertical surface here. So that edge is taken care here. So let me show again. So the edge which I am talking about is this one. So another edge. So similar edge on this side due to this corner. So one corner at this corner, we whatever similar edge was there, we have already taken care of here. So another one on this direction we have taken care of. At the corners we have taken care, but for the edge, this one, for this edge, we have not yet drawn the hidden line. So that edge is not visible, but you can imagine that a hidden line corresponding to this has to be shown at this position. So this is 2 grid spaces from the last surface. So from last surface, this is 1 grid space, this corner, this point, and this is the point which is at 2 grid spaces from the last corner. So we will see a hidden edge here as well as on the other side. So this completes all the hidden edges required for the object, and this completes our drawing for the given pictorial view. The orthographic projections are complete. Thank you.